Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Are you looking for a treat that's rich, healthy and festive? Well, today we are making this royal treat. It's dry fruit and nut burfi. This burfi is packed with the goodness of nuts and natural sweetness. This burfi is not just delicious but also super nutritious. This is perfect for celebrations, gifting or simply enjoying with family. So let's get started and check it out. So first we're going to roast the nuts. To a nice wide pan, add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee. Keeping the flame on medium, we need to roast the nuts together. Starting with 100 grams of chopped almonds, that is badam. Next I'm adding 100 grams of cashew nuts chopped. Next add 100 grams of chopped walnuts. Add 80 grams of chopped pistachios. Keeping the flame on medium, roast the nuts till they've turned to a lovely golden color and they become nice and crunchy. So this is going to take a while. So be a little patient while roasting because you want that lovely even crunch. So roasting the nuts in a little bit of ghee will make them a lot more tastier. So you can see the nuts are roasted to a lovely golden color. Turn off the stove, transfer the nuts to a plate or a bowl and cool them completely. So I've taken 50 grams of figs. I'm just going to coarsely grind them. So you can see the figs are ground to a nice coarse mixture. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. So next I'm going to grind 500 grams of dates. I've removed the seeds and I'm going to grind this in batches. To this I'm going to add a spoonful of ghee. So adding ghee will help the dates to grind better. It will be easier to remove it from the jar. Now we need to mix everything together. Take a nice wide kadai, something that's convenient for you to mix. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Keeping the flame on medium-low. First I'm going to add the ground date mixture. Next add the coarsely ground figs. So just gently cook this mix, keeping the heat on medium. So you can see the date mixture has softened a bit. Could be quite tricky getting this mixture together. Keeping the flame on low. Next I'm going to add the nuts. Now gradually mix everything in. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. Just be patient and slowly mix everything. I've just kept the flame on low throughout this process. So you can see I've added a lot of nuts. This is how I wanted it. A nice beautiful nutty burfi and a nice big chunk of nuts in every bite. So if you want to chop them a little smaller, you can do that as well. It's up to you. So now that the mixture is ready, I'm just going to add about half teaspoon of cardamom powder. This will give a lovely flavor to the burfi. Just mix that in. So we've not added any water while grinding the dates or while cooking this mixture. Just be a little patient while making this and the results will be amazing. So there you go, I've mixed everything. Turn off the heat and we'll transfer this into small tins and set it aside. I'm just greasing the base of the tin. I've lined the base of the tin with a thin sheet of butter paper and I'm just greasing it with some ghee. Just grease it on all sides with ghee. This way it will be easier to remove the burfis. It will be easier to remove the block once it's set. So I've just transferred a portion of the mixture into a tin. So we'll need to let this cool down completely and let it set for a couple of hours. I have left it to set for about 6 hours, but you can also leave it overnight. I'm just going to remove this from the tin. So you can see this beautiful block set nicely. It's nice and firm. So now you can cut it into desired shapes and sizes. So you can cut it into squares or small rectangles. That's up to you. So you can just mark it. Now I'm going to cut it into squares. You can see those beautiful nuts. Well, I have to remove the parchment paper from the base. But just look at those beautiful dry fruit nut burfis. Look at those nuts, these chunky nuts. The dry fruit nut burfi is ready and I can't wait to bite into it. Wow, it's just perfect. It's nutty, it's got the natural sweetness, it's chewy, it's just delicious. It's bursting with flavors on every bite. Excellent. Try this recipe at home and surprise your loved ones with this homemade festive delight. Don't forget to share and spread the sweetness with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.